Hi there. I'm going to go through another couple of demos that we've put together for the Simplexico website. And these are to do with organizing and searching through a set of documents. So this first demonstration will show us a way in which we can use machine learning to automatically group together subsets of documents in a larger set of documents. These can be contracts, they can be case law files, can be anything you like. And this plot shows a complete set of documents. In this case, these are all open source contracts. And what we've done is fed these contracts through a model which groups them together in terms of how similar each contract is. So we can see in this case that each point in the plot corresponds to an individual document, and how close together they are corresponds to their similarity. So if they're quite far apart, it means they're not very similar, and if they are close together, it means they're quite similar. And so what the algorithm's done is automatically assign a grouping number to each document. And we can see that if we hover over each point, we can see the name of the contract. And we can see that, for instance, these blue ones are all distributor agreements. These yellow ones are joint filing agreements, and we've got consultant agreements, etc. So this is all done in an automated way by the machine learning algorithm. So there's no additional context given to it other than the text itself. So what we can use this for is a way of grouping together a large set of documents. Let's say you don't necessarily know what they're about, or there's no intrinsic grouping that you can apply. You can use machine learning to basically group these things together in an automated way. And I'll just try this with a set of contracts that I'm going to upload so we can just see it working on the fly. And so we're going to train a new model based off of the set of documents we just uploaded, and it should give us a similar looking plot with a few less documents in it. This will take a few seconds, but it shouldn't take too long. Yep. So we can see that we've got a similar looking plot. We've got collections of documents here that are essentially color coded, and these ones all correspond to supply agreements. These are intellectual property agreements, and at the top here we've got some co-branding agreements. So again, this is another demonstration just showing how these things can be grouped together and what kind of results we get. And you can try this yourself with a set of documents here. And the next demo is concerned with searching the contents of a set of documents. So I'm going to upload a few documents from the same set. And what we'll do is try to search the paragraphs in these documents. So I've got a query here, and I'll use this to search in two different ways. So the first way is a simple keyword search, and this will just check each paragraph in the document against, roughly speaking, these set of search terms. So for instance, in this case, is the query is looking for governing laws of the state of Texas, and we can see that the top result is kind of what we wanted. So governing law clause referring to the state of Texas. And what we can get out of this is a similarity score. So this shows you how similar this contract is to our query. And we've got a bunch of other results, generally all governing law clauses. So that looks good. That's what we want. So in addition to this simple keyword search, we can also use semantic search. And what that does is search based on the meaning of the query and the paragraph. So what's happening behind the scenes here is we've got an embedding model which basically tries to give a particular point in a vector space corresponding to the meaning of your query and your paragraphs, and tries to match them up. So here we've got similar results in this case, but yeah, we can see that we've got a different similarity score and some slightly different results for the one that's lower down. So I hope this gives you some idea of how we can use AI for organizing and searching your documents, and you can try these out yourself.